Corcym is a global company and we manufacture products that save lives to our patients. We had a spin-off in 2021 and we needed a partner that was agile like us, flexible and overall reliable. So we wanted a global system to support us, to allow us to centralize function, to give us transparency and visibility in real time. We chose Horsa because they were a good fit, they were aligned to our needs, and Horsa brought AWS reliability.
Every customer Horsa works with has specific needs, and Corcym have specific and very clearly needs: reliability, security, and flexibility. SAP is the very important part because it's crucial for their manufacturing, finance, and other key services. They have a lot of users, both internal and externals, so moving to AWS Cloud is the right solution for them.
There were two phases. The first phase is we need to move really fast. Using the capabilities and the flexibility of AWS platform, we build up a new architecture completely from the scratch without any entry barriers. The second phase, we focus on the capabilities and we really take advantage of AWS. We optimize our system, we cut some of our application, and we adapt everything to the evolving business requirements.
This is a very exciting project. We were building the car while driving. We knew we could offer the great insight into their business with the AWS. But we also knew we must be very agile and ready to change as the project developed. They have a great technical team and now the right tools to leverage SAP function without thinking about infrastructure.
So AWS brings us a centralized view of everything that is happening, and this is very important because we are global, but we want to see everything at the same time in real time. Now the project is complete, we have full visibility, real-time control of all our flows of products. Our transaction costs, our IT costs are under control, predictable, and we are making savings on that.
Corcym now has the tools to drive the business forward, with the best reporting tools and better data to drive the business. Using the same data model in every territory gives the great insight into their business. Moving to the cloud is not the end destination. We're still moving forward. But as a partner, Horsa is always looking at AWS solutions we can bring to Corcym to drive better outcomes and deliver even greater value.
Working with Horsa during the whole project was a great experience. They showed us that they are really tremendous expertise with SAP workload on AWS. After the first project, we are now moving on other projects because they are really aligned with the company values like agility and courage. We are now migrating to AWS other workloads of our company to take advantage of all the opportunities that AWS platform can provide to us.